On the 8th of February 2019, Ladakh became a separate revenue and administrative division within Jammu and Kashmir, having previously been part of the Kashmir division. And then came 5th of August 2019. Ladakh became a union territory without a legislature.
It is a demand ever since independence for a union territory in Ladakh. And I feel that this need was expressed for one major issue, which is that I want to do development my own way.
Finally, the 70 years long dream struggle was fulfilled, and it became a reality in 2019. So now, we can dream, we can have a vision, we can plan something, and we can fulfill those.
And indeed, Ladakh is seeing a major infrastructure overhaul.
You see these towers, guys? These were not there the last time I was here.
Last 2.5 years, ever since we become union territory, I think more than 70 villages has been connected with the mobile telecommunication. Electricity has been improved. Grid line has been connected almost in the entire Ladakh, except for Nubra and some part of the Changthang. Now roads are being built up, proper good roads, blacktop roads, and clean drinking waters are being provided to the people in the rural sector,
I think the standoff in Eastern Ladakh in 2020 gave a renewed relevance to Ladakh in terms of operational and strategic importance. It is imperative for the government to develop Ladakh.
New tunnels and roads are being carved out in the tough terrain of the Himalayan region, where temperatures plummet to as low as -40 degrees Celsius. The terrain may be mountainous, but the soil is fertile and irrigable. The focus is on organic cultivation and irrigation through solar pumps.
ट्रेल बेसिस पर दिया है गवर्नमेंट ने एग्रीकल्चर की तरफ से। पहले तो वो पॉलिथीन वाला ग्रीन हाउस में बनाते थे, वो उसमें तो कमी नहीं होता, नहीं सर्दी में रात को जम जाते हैं, दिन को ज्यादा गर्मी लगते हैं। तो
Efforts are on to grow a variety of high-value crops, increase yield, and facilitate exports, and in the process, build entrepreneurship and create diverse jobs.
ये पॉली जो हम फ्री देते हैं फार्मर्स को,
अच्छा
जी, तो उसके साथ हम सीड्स देते हैं, इसका वाटरमेलन, मस्कमेलन, टमाटो, उनका सीड्स देके हम डेमो देते हैं यहाँ पे आके।